Alrighty. Up next, I'm going to be covering graphs because we covered these pretty early on in this unit, so figured some people might have forgotten them. Be good to brush up. So this is going to be useful for solubility, undersaturated, saturated, and supersaturated, stuff like that. So if we're looking at, let's say, what's a good one? Oh yeah, this guy right here. Ooh, that's a funky little pencil. There we go, that guy right there. So his line is this dark blue one right here, and it is potassium chloride. So what it is going to be is we're going to say what is supersaturated, what is undersaturated, and what is saturated. Saturated is right on the line. So at a specific temperature, how many grams of this can be dissolved in 100 grams of water? So at 30 degrees, it's about, about 35 right there. And then at 40 degrees, it's about 40. And then at 50 degrees, it's about 42. Let's go all the way up to 100. And that seems to be about 68, maybe. So if we were to ask a question, that would be, I don't know, maybe is 50 grams of potassium chloride at 50 degrees, is that oversaturated? Not oversaturated. Is that supersaturated, saturated, or undersaturated? Saturated is on the line, so we're going to look. Is 50 grams at 50 degrees, and that seems to be above the line, so that is oversaturated. Now we'll do just regular table salt. Yeah, why not? So this one right here, it's kind of a lighter blue. Right here, it's the light blue line. So we'll say at 30 degrees, how much can be considered soluble? Not oversaturated. Nope, not that. Not undersaturated, but saturated. Perfectly right at 30 degrees. How much? So we look at the line, and it goes to, where's 30 degrees? 30 degrees is right there, so it goes to about there, which is about, I'd say 35 grams. So 35 grams of NaCl can be dissolved in water at 30 degrees. Anything above that, supersaturated. Anything below that, undersaturated. So now let's say for lead, what is that, lead nitrate? Yeah, for lead nitrate at 50 degrees, would 70 grams of it be over, under, or saturated? So 50 degrees, 50 degrees, 70 grams. Notice that is under the yellow line, which is for lead, so that would be undersaturated. All right, this stuff should be pretty easy. Looking at a graph, over or under the line. Good luck studying. Goodbye.